Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Ledger Nano S. First, connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the USB cable. Then, carefully enter your 4 to 8-digit PIN code directly on the device to unlock it securely. Next, launch the Ledger Live application on your computer. This essential software acts as your gateway to managing your crypto assets. Ensure Ledger Live is updated for the best experience. Once Ledger Live is open, you'll want to add your cryptocurrency accounts. Go to the Accounts section and click Add Account. Choose the specific crypto you want to manage, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Your Ledger device will then prompt you to open the corresponding application. Confirm this action on your device to proceed. This step links your physical device to your digital assets. To receive crypto, select an account in Ledger Live and click Receive. Your unique receiving address will appear. Crucially, always verify this address directly on your Ledger Nano S screen to prevent errors. For sending, choose an account, click Send, and input the recipient's address and amount. Review all transaction details on your device carefully before confirming the send operation. This ensures security. Maintaining the security of your Ledger Nano S is paramount. Always keep your 24-word recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. It's your master key. Never, under any circumstances, share your PIN code or recovery phrase with anyone. Regularly update both your Ledger Live software and your device's firmware for optimal protection. Finally, only download Ledger Live from the official Ledger website to avoid malicious versions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.